Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make iced tea at home with milk. Start by selecting a robust tea like black or Assam and chilling your brew quickly to avoid bitterness. Steep slightly stronger than hot tea to account for ice dilution, then cool rapidly with an ice bath or refrigerator to preserve brightness. Gently whisk in chilled milk and sweetener to taste, then serve over ice for a creamy, refreshing drink. Begin by measuring tea and brewing stronger than you would for hot tea to keep flavor after dilution. Use an ice bath or add ice directly to rapidly cool the brew and lock in freshness. Strain leaves or remove tea bags promptly to avoid over-extraction and bitterness. Chill the tea until cold in the fridge before mixing in milk and sweetener so the dairy stays smooth and the texture stays pleasant when poured over ice. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help us keep making helpful content. Quick recommendation: leak-proof containers make storing cold brewed tea or milk mixtures spill-free, ideal for meal prep and commuting with confidence, and they seal tight for stacking neat fridges. Check the description for the product link and other deals, grab one if it helps, and now let's get back to the video. Select milk that complements your tea, like whole milk for richness or oat milk for a plant-based, smooth option that pairs well with black tea. Dissolve sugar into a simple syrup or use condensed milk so sweetening blends evenly into cold tea without graininess. Start with small amounts and taste, increasing milk or sweetener gradually to reach your preferred balance between creaminess and tea flavor before serving over ice for a silky finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.